Mini drones have opened up a whole new world of possibilities in the video and photography section. You can find mini drones in plenty of options with various feature combinations and different price ranges. So, it obviously becomes difficult to choose a single option. Whether it is for flying it indoors or for professional photography, you can choose the best mini drone suitable for your requirements by consider the factors mentioned below. Factors to consider: 1. Range. 2. Resolution. 3. Flying time. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 mini drones currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at DRC Mini Drone. DRC D20 Drone, a fantastic creation from the well-known DRC brand, designed especially for beginners and kids. This little wonder comes with a 720p HD camera, so you can take awesome photos and videos from the sky. What's even more exciting is that it can stay in the air for up to 20 minutes, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries. Flying it is a breeze with a 2.4 GHz control, perfect for newcomers. Plus, it has altitude hold, which means it can hover steadily at one height, making it super easy to control. Forget about figuring out which way it's facing with the headless mode feature. You can even do cool tricks with 3D flips. But that's not all. This drone lets you take photos and videos with hand gestures and allows you to draw a flight path on your smartphone, and it will follow it. It's small and light at just 69 grams, so you can take it anywhere. And it can fly up to 100 meters away and save your shots on an SD card. Whether you're a beginner or just a big kid at heart, the DRC D20 is packed with fun and user-friendly features, making it perfect for awesome aerial adventures. At number 2, Holystone Mini Drone. Holystone HS210, a fantastic mini drone from the trusted Holystone brand, well known for making drones that anyone can enjoy, whether you're just starting out or have some experience. The HS210 is perfect for kids and beginners, and it has something special, up to 21 minutes of flight time. That's made possible by including 3 batteries, so you can keep flying without long waits for recharging. Flying it is a breeze with the headless mode feature, which means you don't have to worry about which way the drone is facing. Plus, it can do cool 360-degree flips, adding a whole lot of fun to your flights. It's super lightweight at only 22 grams and comes with a 220 mAh battery. You control it with a simple remote, and it's great for all ages. Safety is a priority too, thanks to its full protection propeller guard. Whether you're a kid or a beginner, the Holystone HS210 is the perfect choice for easy and enjoyable drone flying. At number 3, Force One Mini Drone. Force One UFO 4000, the ultimate 2-speed LED stunt drone designed for kids and adults, embodying the brand's dedication to crafting fun and accessible remote control toys. This drone takes your flights to the next level with its cool 360 degrees flip capability, letting you perform amazing tricks in the air that'll impress everyone around. What sets the UFO 4000 apart are its vibrant neon-colored LEDs, turning nighttime flights into dazzling light shows. It's super easy to fly, thanks to features like altitude hold and headless mode, making it ideal for beginners. And here's the best part, it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you a total flight time of 18 minutes. Say goodbye to long waits for recharging. Safety is a priority too, with kid-friendly propeller guards in place. In a nutshell, the Force One UFO 4000 is a thrilling, user-friendly drone that promises heaps of fun for all ages. Now number 4, Potensic Mini Drone. Potensic A20RC Nano Quadcopter, a perfect drone for beginners and kids. Potensic is known for making drones that are easy to use, and the A20 is no exception. It comes with 3 batteries, so you can fly it for up to 15 to 18 minutes without any interruptions. Flying this drone is a breeze with its one-button takeoff and landing feature. Plus, you don't have to worry about which way it's facing, thanks to the headless mode. Safety is a priority with the A20, as it has sturdy propeller guards to protect it from accidental bumps. Controlling the drone is smooth and stable with the 2.4 GHz remote. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a fun and hassle-free drone, the Potensic A20RC Nano Quadcopter is your ticket to exciting adventures in the sky. Now our last product is ATOP Mini Drone. ATOP, a brand that specializes in creating fantastic drones for kids. Their latest creation, the ATOP X-Pac 2, is designed for kids aged 8 to 12 and brings the thrill of flying right to their fingertips. With just one button for easy takeoff and landing, along with features like headless mode, 3-speed options, and even voice control, this drone is a breeze to operate. What makes it even more exciting is the built-in FPV camera, which lets kids capture cool first-person view photos and videos. They can also enjoy augmented reality gaming and pull off amazing 3D flips for added fun. Powered by a 3.7 volts 1000 mAh lithium battery, it offers around 5 to 6 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and it comes with a handy USB charger and an easy-to-use remote control. Whether you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone or a unique gift idea, the ATOP X-Pac 2 is all about fun and adventure in the sky. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.